Hi guys, 1st of the January 2023, so I want to a little bit started the car. Hasn't been run since November, so it's new year, I need to do something with this. As you can see, it's a big mess. I didn't done anything since September, something like that. So, because it's this new year, I want to just to run it a little bit, and then later on, I want to start digging it. I'm thinking to put a line lock on the front wheels, because I need to replace the whole, the brake lines. Because I've got the new propulsion valve, need to be fitted. Old one is stuck. I need to do something with that. That's why I want to put a line lock as well in it. Well, we'll see how it goes. Now today's job is to run it and just make it a little bit warmer. We'll see how it goes. You can see lots of clutter. You have to start digging. Go. Alright people, that'll be everything for today. New year, just want to refresh how to do everything with the car and show you that Dodge is still alive and as you can see, quite good conditions, more or less. I need to do front and rear suspension. All the bushings need to be replaced. They are quite gone, what you can say. That's why I'm not driving it anymore at the moment. Just waiting for for the money. I need to order everything, and I hope so in springtime I will start replacing everything. And then I would like to do line lock because I need to finish with this propulsion valve, and that's why I've got the whole tubing for the lines and everything. So I've got all the setup. Just I need this line long to do this how I want to, and that will be everything. As you can see, Dodge running quite okay. That will be, well, pretty much everything for today. Well, I've got new computer. I need to start playing with it, or playing with the Adobe Premiere Pro, because that's what I'm using. And I hope so. I will, well, I will put this video tonight. Maybe not. Maybe tomorrow morning. We'll see. I will try to do this, you know, the rendering and everything today. So have fun in this new year. I hope it will be much better than previous ones. And see you next time. Like, share, subscribe if you would, and have fun. See you later.